In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track projects and jobs in Xero. We'll set up tracking categories, apply them to your sales and purchases, and then compare results in a profit and loss report so you can see how each job is performing. First, open Xero and head to Accounting. Then choose Accounting Settings. From there, select Tracking Categories. Tracking categories let you tag transactions by project, job, property, or any dimension you want to monitor. Click. Add tracking category, give your category a clear, memorable name, and under category options, add the 3 options you needed for your jobs. Keep the option names short and consistent so they're easy to pick later. When you're happy, click Save. Next, let's use your new category on a sale. Go to Sales, open Invoices, and click New Invoice. Select your contact, then set the due date so it matches your terms. Add your line items. For each line, choose the tracking category you just created and pick the correct option for that job. If you have multiple lines, keep adding your items and apply the relevant category option to each one. This line-by-line tagging is what lets you report accurately later. When you're done, click Approve and Email, then Send Email to deliver the invoice. Now, let's capture your costs the same way. Go to Purchases, Open Bills, and click New Bill. If prompted again, click New Bill to start a fresh one. Select the supplier in the From field, set the due date, and enter your item or expense details. Choose the same tracking category and the correct option that matches the job you invoiced earlier. Consistency here ensures your revenues and costs align in reports. When everything looks correct, click Approve. With your sales and purchases tagged, it's time to report. Go to Reporting, then All Reports, and open Profit and Loss. In the report settings, find Compare Tracking Categories. Select the category you created. To see every job side by side, click Select All, then Apply. Finally, click Update to refresh the report. You'll now see a profit and loss that breaks out income and expenses by each category option, making it easy to compare jobs and spot what's working. That's it. You created a tracking category with options, used it on invoices and bills, and ran a profit and loss that compares your projects or jobs. Keep tagging every transaction with the right option, and your reporting will stay accurate and insightful. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.